Does anyone know the story of the Good Samaritan besides Casey? Graded?
So there's this guy and bandits that beat him up and he was lying on the side of the road and police walked by him and they didn't help him.
Yep.
And someone else walked by and they didn't help him and the Samaritan came along and helped him get some help.
Good. So a bunch of people walked by and wouldn't help the beat up guy, but eventually, and they're actually enemies, the enemy actually helped him out, okay? So if they're describing this woman as a good Samaritan, what are they trying to say about the woman? Clay?
They're trying to say that she's a good person.
Good. Very good.
I got something else.
So,
I got something else.
it comes from the Bible and it means that she chose to be very kind. What else, Titus?
Oh, I was going to say, right before that said that, I was going to say it could also mean that she doesn't like the guy, but she's helping him anyways because she just wants to be nice.
Definitely. So the more you know the backstory of the illusion, the more detail you can read into what they're saying. Okay, so that's really good, Titus. Good job. All right, so I have 3 more examples. What you're going to do is, okay, you're going to get in battle stations, and in your groups, I want you to work on these 3 illusions and write down where does it come from, like what's the source, okay, who wrote it, or what movie is it from, and then what does it mean, what are they trying to say? Harrison?
What are our battles?
Okay, good question. So remember, it's these 4, this 4, this 4, and then you have this 3, the middle 4, the 3 over there, and then the back row is a group. Okay, you just need 1 sheet per group.
What group am I in?
Go ahead and get battle stations.
Battle station.
Okay.
Where was Cole and battle stations. Hey Paul, you need to be the best
And then I don't know.
What's window? She's recording the show, so she's become a better what?
Okay, there you go. And then talk about where does it come Okay, so she's going to read this sentence. You guys have to figure out what's the illusion when you're taken from
Titus. Okay.
No, just one for you.
You're Landon, dum dum.
You're not.
I'm not just saying I'm second. No, you're not last. Clay's last.
The first one is it was such a
He's lying. I was surprised his nose didn't
it was such a obvious lie.
It was an obvious lie. I'm surprised his nose didn't start. Where did it come freaking no! Your last name, my last name. You freaking explain what it means.
No, that's not what it means. Chad, that's not what it means. That's not what it means. It doesn't mean they go
I don't know, but
You should have said
That's it.
it was so beautiful.
That's not what you're comparing it to. It means
What's the freaking
what
does it mean?
Alright, I need your voices off. Stay in your battle stations for now, okay? That's it. Alright, so does anybody want to explain number 1? Check it out. Maya?
Pinocchio.
Okay. And does sorry, real quick. Does anybody know what Pinocchio is? Like, where did it come from originally? The story of Pinocchio?
The one old guy.
Wiley?
Old guy that made him.
Okay, well, yeah, that. But, like, the story of Pinocchio, does anybody know where it came from, Brayden? It was a a fairy tale, okay? It was by the Grimm brothers, okay?
Who's the grandmother?
Guys? Okay? The Grimm brothers are a German pair of brothers, and they wrote a bunch of fairy tales. So, like, Pinocchio, Cinderella, Snow White, those all came from the Grimm brothers, okay? Good. Probably. I don't know. So, if they were referring to Pinocchio, what are they trying to say about this kid? Casey? He lies a lot, right? Good. Okay, number 2. Who wants to explain that one to us? Braxton?
So in the Bible,
Uh-huh. It was beautiful. Okay. So it is from the Bible. That's good. Play.
So it's where Adam and Eve ate these fruits,
Yep.
like food from the food. Yeah, from the trees, like all of them.
Okay. Tell me more about the garden itself. What do we know about the garden?
It's beautiful.
Tessa?
that it's like really pretty, and then Hawaii was really pretty.
Perfect. So he's trying to say that Hawaii was super pretty. Good. Let's do the third one. Who wants to explain it? Titus?
So, their relationship didn't work out in the end. It was like Romeo and Juliet story.
Uh-huh.
Where does it come from? It comes from the fairy tale Romeo and Juliet.
It's not a fairy tale.
The true story Romeo and Juliet.
No. Karina? It's a Shakespearean play.
Okay, can I finish what I was
Yeah,
saying?
go ahead. What are they trying to say by calling this couple as Romeo and Juliet?
And they both died.
Okay, so if we call a couple like Romeo and Juliet, what are we trying to say?
They hate each other.
It's true love, but
They're
died.
they're not gonna die.
better. She'll die
You can
then.
raise their hand and tell me what are they trying to say about this couple? I'll wait. Chad, I need you to focus. What are they trying to say, Susan?
They were trying to say that they weren't like fit for each other.
Okay. We're getting closer. What else are they trying to say, Casey?
They loved each other, but their parents and everybody didn't agree with them.
Okay, that could be one interpretation. Okay, what's another one?
Okay, so Romeo and Juliet is kind of like when they love each other, but they have their differences, so they have this thing where people are there.
Okay, so what happens at the end of the Romeo and Juliet, Titus?
They both died.
Right, so we call them star-crossed lovers, which means they were kind of doomed from the beginning, okay? Either because of their parents, or because of differences, or whatever, okay? So, guys, here's a little life challenge for Miss Chausow. Try to never end up in a relationship that's like Romeo and Juliet, okay?
Oh, I want to.
Alright,
That's really mean, right?
guys, let's bring it back, okay? Alright, what I need you to do now is send one group member to turn these sheets into the
That's me.
basket. Whoa, guys, wait, I didn't say go. Everybody else needs to move their desks back to the rows, and then we have one more activity to do. Ready, go.
Run me over.
Okay, our explanation was for the Romeo and Juliet. Juliet got hit by a car and Romeo got eaten by a dog. That's how they died. Play the ball stink.
I don't know why we're fighting about that.
Hey, I'm in the movie. Bro. Hey, this is Chausow. This is Chausow. I'm in that thing. 1738. Savage. I really look like that. I look like I have no eyes when I do this.
5, 4,
Savage.
3, 2, 1. Wiley, do you need to go to the office?
No.
Jenica? Please put your name on this. Alright, this last activity you're going to do by yourself. Okay? And it has to be completely silent. Okay?
Why don't you sharpen it like this?
Okay. No, please don't. Okay. I need your eyes up here. Okay. So, there are 4 songs posted around the room. One in the back, one over here, and one on the door. Alright?
That's great.
And one right here, sorry. Thank you. Okay? Okay? So, you are going to go to 2 of them. You can pick. These 2 are by Taylor Swift. That one is by MKTO, and this one is by Billy Joel. Alright? So, pick 2 to go to. You're going to read it. Write the name of the song in this box. I need everybody's eyes up here. Braxton, eyes up here. You need to close your Chromebook, please. We're not doing that right now.
Therapy Squirtle. Therapy Squirtle.
Kirsten, can you go in the hall, please? So, you're going to write the name of the song in this box, and then all of the songs make an illusion. Kaylee, up here. Okay? So this one has like 20 illusions. That one has like 10. There's a bunch. So just pick one from the song. Okay, they're going to mention somebody's name or a place or something like that. Write it down. Okay, and so you're going to go do that for 2 songs, and then go back to your desk and look them up on the Chromebook and tell me about them, okay? What is it that they're talking about, or who is it? And then over here, you write down why did they pick that person to put in their song. Does that make sense? So Jacob, can you tell me the directions one more time?
You go around the room, find 2 songs, and then find the illusion, and what
Perfect. So I don't expect you to actually know what they're alluding to. Just go find like the name of the person or the place in the song, and then get on your Chromebook and look it up. Write just like a couple things about it, and then tell me why they picked it. Okay, Millie, do you have a question? No, there's some like places. This one has some like history events. Yeah. Yep. And just write a couple notes about it. Okay. All right. You have the next 6 minutes, 7 minutes to do this, and it must be silent, guys. I'm going to sharpen my pencil. Grab a marker.